still can't sort of talk properly without losing my voice. I've just finished my live painting and I came upstairs and sunshine. So I'm sitting in bed in the sun. Cyril's joined me too, look, he's here. Say hello. Hello. So we're enjoying the sunshine for a minute. It's so nice. I'm just going to lay here for a bit. I need to get my arse in gear really and go and get dressed. I'm still in my pyjamas. I don't know what the time is actually. Alexa, time. There we go. Thank you. I always have to say thank you to her. Yeah, so it's like 9:40. Oh, it was a long painting this morning. It was an hour and 20 minutes, I think, something like that. But I finished it, and it's up on Etsy. And I did all the usual stuff with, which I don't like doing, putting it up on Facebook and Instagram. I forget that I'm still at work. So look at my hands and spray paint. I'm going to have a bath, and then I've got some eBay orders to pack up, and I've also got some paintings that I sold to send as well. So anyway, catch you later. Bye. It's so nice to see the sun shining and all the pretty things from the mirror ball. That's my birdie, cock-a-doodling. And we sit in the sunshine. Glitzy, glitzy. Mirror balls. This is my chill out room. I'm going to get a log burner to go in there. That doesn't work that well. It's nice with the sparkly light, and that's what I did yesterday. Look nice and see. Just like a face. I see the two eyes. I see faces and everything. It's just nice to see the sun. I like the sparkles. Makes me happy. Hi. Here's another vlog that I'm doing. I forget to video what I'm supposed to be like throughout the day. I forget to video things, so you're gonna have to bear with my vlogginess that I'm doing at the moment. I'm sure I get better if I remember to actually video what I'm doing. It does help when you're making a vlog, doesn't it, to do such things. So this one is just me packing some things and painting a bit, and this, there we are, that's my bedroom there, don't look in there. Should have pulled the curtain over. This is my MITSI eBay room, but yeah. Those people don't know that I also sell vintage stuff on eBay as well, but so stop doing it. I stop thinking this silk because hello. There's a fire down there, so let's sit and put the fire. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my little vlog things. I'll stop saying as well. I'm sure I'll get better at it as I go along. It's sort of giving me something to focus on as well, and just sharing stuff with you and everything, and always all the time. And
That's my washing done. It's beeping, telling me it's finished. I should, I don't know what I'm saying really, so Cyril's just going to sit there and make a bed. He likes sitting there. So I just waffle really, so it's good to have a bit of MITSI waffling. I'm really good at that. That's the best thing. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing these vlogs is to make me be more focused on what I'm doing in my life, because at the moment I'm feeling lost. I've got like no direction, no, I don't know. I'm like in this like limbo thing. I need some direction in my life and something, I don't know. I'm just like in this. What am I supposed to be doing? What am I doing? Who am I? What's my focus? So yeah, back to why I was doing this is it's maybe to give my life a bit more meaning, if that's possible. Who knows?
But I'm not sad. Flux of emotions, my head's spinning now. I've been thinking too much. I got time on my hands, need to escape reality. of myself. I'm kinda stuck down on my luck. Don't know what it is, but I'm in a funk. Staring at the wall, can't shake what I'm feeling at all. I don't wanna have to find ways to distract myself. Won't drink it away or smoke like a wreck. I'm not gonna find myself in somebody else's bed. I'm trying to figure out how to find happiness. I'm stuck in my head. Oh, how will this end? Everybody has their vices. I don't know what mine is. I need a break from the world around me. I'll shut everyone out. I just need a second to breathe.